You're doing well. Haven't you done well? So what's happened today is we brought down a lamb that was in need of some assistance, given it some colostrum, and as it perked up so well, we decided to take the decision to bring in this sheep here who's had a single lamb and put them on the adopter because we know she'll have got enough milk to feed to. It's more natural for the lamb. We don't really want to be keeping pets for the sake of it. So we will give the lamb some milk for the next 24 hours if it needs some assistance before it learns how to feed. And then hopefully after a few days we can release the sheep from the adopter, try it in a pen, see how she is with the lamb, and fingers crossed it'll be a happy new family.
We are quite successful with the adopter. I know last year Mabel seemed to really rebel against it. Then we realised she was actually lonely and wanted some other sheep around her. We let her out with a lamb and she was perfect.
We'll try it for a few days, won't we?
Try it for a few days. It's much better for the lamb in the long term.
So it's Tuesday lunchtime and these two have just landed. Should have known you'd end up here, eh? Not for you. Is it? Is it? So it's 5:30 and this little one has just had her first feed of the day and she's doing well, aren't you, baby? So these are the threes, the remaining threes, waiting for these to hurry up and get on with lambing. Come on, girls. It's Wednesday today. So that's the prolapse sheep that was wearing the harness. She lambed 2 lambs successfully last night. One was dead, unfortunately. But as you can see, the 2 she's got are fine. We managed to remove the harness, but she's a bit of a wild beast, isn't she? She wouldn't be caught or helped. So we've spotted first time a Rosie has had a lamb. She's part of Doris's crew.
Yeah,
Same
Doris
year as
lives
Doris.
Doris lives here.
So we'll go and have a look. Well done, Missy Rosie. She's having a well-earned drink after successfully lambing for the first time. So the sun is just rising. It's a beautiful golden sunrise. So just stopping to appreciate it and also noticing that the trees are all starting to get their green on them now, which is nice to see. All the hawthorn particularly. There are 2 buzzards circling around down there. We have quite a few buzzards around here, which are a bird of prey. They mainly eat rabbits though, they don't cause a lot of trouble. Or any trouble really, do they? Good girl. Good girl. So the new family, Flossie the lamb and co, have been in the adopter for about getting on for 24 hours. And so far, let's just say they're all just adjusting. So Willow's lamb and Flossie, the bottle-fed lamb, they're in here, they're safe. She can't sit on them and she can't attack them, and they can move around and hopefully have a drink from underneath her whilst she gets used to them being around. Nobody is getting on with it since this morning. Any activity?
Doesn't seem to be. Someone just got to get hold of me.
Okay. We want them to get on with it now, don't we?
Yes.
We're ready for them to get on with it. They're probably saving it for a rainy day or maybe for tonight when we're ready for our sit down. We're driving this sheep because she will not be caught. These are Mabel's lambs, and I just think this one is hilarious with the floppy ears. So cute, aren't you? Yes, you are. This lady here is lambing. It's about 7 o'clock. And there's another one maybe thinking about it. So we'll be checking right up until it goes dark today. And it's the end of another really beautiful day. Sorry for my shaky camera. Really warm, really beautiful. So it's 10 to 8 and this one here is not long arrived. It wasn't here at 7:10, was it? But it all looks to be okay. The mother's a little bit wary, so we'll keep our distance. We'll socially distance. Right, hopefully that's the end of it on Wednesday night. Off to feed Flossie now. So we're going to say good night and see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.